This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Instagram and going straight to your profile. Tap the three-line menu and choose Settings. Once in Settings, select Privacy and then Blocked Account so you see the list immediately. Make sure you are logged into the correct account and that the app is updated, because older versions hide some options. If you use multiple accounts, switch now, otherwise you'll search the wrong block list. This gets you to the exact place where blocked people are stored. Once you're viewing the blocked list, scroll it carefully and look at usernames and profile photos to identify people. If you need more context, tap any name to open their profile. Instagram will let you preview without unblocking. To reverse a block, tap Unblock and confirm. This restores following and direct messageability immediately. If the list is long, use the search box at the top to type a username. That saves time versus manual scanning and avoids accidental unblocks. Finish by verifying changes. Visit the profile you unblocked and confirm you can follow or send a message. If you can't find the person after unblocking, remember they might have changed privacy settings or deactivated their account. That's why a missing profile doesn't always mean failure. If things go wrong, troubleshoot by logging out and back in, updating the app, or clearing cache. If needed, wait 10 minutes and retry. This resolves common sync issues and completes the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.